I got your plan open in my copy of Pro 2019, and if all you're worried about is controlling the slab, I would not use the floor generated by the room dialog box in this case. It's easier to just create a custom slab. The close polyline, select the polyline, convert it to a slab, and we'll make it at -8. That's the floor level you have. See, there it is there. And I can get the material from your other slab, put it on the concrete, and make it any size that you want. And these custom polylines go where you tell them to go, and they stay there. And in some cases, I think they're easier to deal with than slabs generated by room dialog boxes. You be the judge, but that's what one thing that occurred to me. Also, I like to put in a terrain plane, and usually I'll set it to, just above the, well, we'll just set it, the building pad at 7 inches. Code is 6 inches, so that leaves a little room. Yeah. And if you don't want to see this for construction drawings, it's on a layer called terrain perimeter, and you can just turn it off. You're back where you were. Anyway, I hope this helps you. And thanks for sharing your plan. Have a good day.